Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to generate the texture terrain using the Blender GIS. So this will enable you generate a texture terrain directly from Google Map. So to get something like this, you actually get something like this. You see that? So to do this, first of all, you have to go down to your browser. Click on your browser. You maybe search Blender GIS, you search for Blender GIS, or you go to GitHub. Go to github.com. Once you go there, you go to the right here. You see that clone or download. So you click on clone or download to download the Blender GIS you want to use for this. So once this is done, once this is downloaded to a particular folder, you come down to your Blender. You just open your Blender. Once you open your Blender application software, actually, so once your Blender is open, you click on edit. When you click edit, you go to preferences, click on preferences. So once you go to the left sidebar, you see this add-on here. You click on add-on, you click install, and for the purpose of this tutorial, I saved my downloaded Blender GIS zip file in my desktop. So I'll click on desktop, scroll down. So you see the Blender GIS master zip here. You see that here? I'll click on it and add on. But I actually downloaded I've downloaded this and installed it already. I have it here, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just trying to show you how you go about it. So once you click it, you click on install add-on and you get it installed. You get something like this. So you get this 3D view Blender GIS, but it's not going to be checked like mine is. So you have to check it. It will be unchecked, but mine I already have it downloaded, so no need for that. So when you check it, you click here, you get this drop down menu. So this is your cache folder. So you have to create a directory for it. You click here, you create a folder. Maybe you name the folder cache, or that's cache, CACHE, or you can create another name or something, or if you have a folder already installed, you can just click on the folder and click accept, and you're good to go. So before that, under the GIS, you have to search for the node wrangler. So this is the node wrangler. I have mine checked already, so yours might be unchecked, so you have to click it to check it. So once that is done, you move out, you go to your viewport. You see this, the Blender GIS. You see that? So this menu here is the GIS. So for you to be able to get the 3D terrain directly from Google Map, you have to click here, click the GIS, click on Web Geodata, and click on Base Map. So once you open it right up here, you see the source. So the source here is Google, but you can use OSM, you can use Bing, S3, or OSM WMS, anyhow you want. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to use Google. So the layer is going to be satellite, and you click OK. So once you do that, you're going to get something like a map. You see that here? So once this is out, you press G. Once you press G, you're going to see something like this, go to. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to use the Rhodope mountain. We're going to use the Rhodope mountain. So the Rhodope mountain is mostly found in Europe, maybe mostly Belgium and Greece. So once you click that, you're going to increase the zoom level. Increase the zoom level to 15. Right. All right. So you click it. It's going to take you directly to the view of the mountain. You see that? This is the mountain view. This is the top orthographic view. So once you come here, you select the angle you want, the particular side you want here. So once you do that, you press your center mouse. Once you press your center mouse, then you press E. So E will carve it out for you. You see that is carved out here already. So but this is not just all we need to do. You see it like this, you see it here. This is not all we need to do. We need to now go back to the GIS to get the OS to get the SRTM. The SRTM is mostly it's an elevation data directly from NASA. So you click on the GIS, click on web geodata, click on get SRTM. Once you click it, you allow it to load. So it's going to load up, so you get your work complete. Okay, so this is it. You see that? So you're going to get something like this. So once you do that, you see that everything there is elevated. It looks free. But if you want to increase it, if you want to increase the elevation, you can just click on the modifier properties. You scroll down to the strength here. You see that by the right here. So you drag it to increase it if you want. Sorry, elevation data. You see that everything is protruding up, you know. So I'm going to use 1000. Okay, yeah, I'm going to use 1.200. Okay, you see that this is elevated now. So I'm going to go to edit mode. You go to edit mode, you subdivide. Yeah, see that? So you go back to this object mode. So once you do this, you also go to the alright, you also go to the texture property here, down here. You see it down here on my mouse. So once you click that, you go down. So this, once you do that, you click on sampling. Once you click on sampling, you're going to see interpolation here, but mine is checked already. So you might have yours not checked. Interpolation here. So all you have to do is to check your interpolation. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to uncheck mine here now. Okay, once it's unchecked, you're going to see some kind of lines, you know. You see that? You see all these lines here now. But once you've checked, immediately you check on the interpolation, you see that everything is clear and you get everything nice and neat. You see that? So you can use this. You can use this for your background. You can use this for your background. You can use this 3D texture for your background of your work or anything you're doing. So you can even you can duplicate it. You know, you can just right click it, you duplicate it, you bring it out here, you know, you place it, you right click again, you duplicate it. Sorry, alright, you duplicate it again, you can bring it out anywhere you want. So but this is just how to get the GIS installed and how to, you know, get the elevation data and other things. So but there are a lot of things you can do with this, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we're just focusing on this. So I'm also going to upload more videos about this and others too. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, as I'll bring a lot of wonderful things for you. I'm going to bring up a lot of things, a lot of animation work, you know, a lot of photorealistic work and other stuff. So make sure you click on it. All right, thank you.